All right, dirtbags, we are back, and today I actually have the pleasure of working on something actually nice. Strange concept. Over at my friend Nick's house, he's doing a pretty simple NA cam and spring build on his vet here, and it is far nicer than anything I will ever imagine. So what cam did you say you went with?
Ooh, it's a BTR Stage 2.
Stage dose.
Specs are up there somewhere.
All right. Oh, cam box.
There's a little ticket right there.
All right, here we go. I'll pixelate all this. So, there we go. And you also went with what springs again?
Just the recommended dual springs. I did the LS7 lifter. Melling high pressure oil pump. I think that's it for the cool stuff.
Now the reason you may be asking yourself why tear apart a very nice car like this is my friend here was in a Mexican road race and
south of the border,
and he happened to be doing a little bit of like, you know, over strenuous, over revving type stuff.
It's a little 5,000 to 6,000 RPM for like 5 to 6 miles.
Basically cannonball running this car. And started to get a little lifter tap out of that.
And that's just unacceptable in a vehicle.
That is not allowed.
No, no noises. Only
that's not allowed in Nick's stuff. Nick's stuff is too nice. I keep giving him shit because I keep seeing dirt on his intake, like right there and right there. And this harness is filthy, dude. Like, how do you fucking sleep at night?
I know.
But we're gonna get this thing wrapped up. The goal for today is to get this thing to turn over, like get most of the stuff bolted back on, and have like 10 to 15 seconds of nice little cam noises for you guys. So, all right, we'll be back. It's a whopping 4 hours later, and
we're on.
we're getting ready to. We got this thing primed. We double checked everything. We got water in it. We got oil in it. All that good stuff. And it's actually go time, so we can hear some cam noises tonight, maybe.
We're hearing something tonight.
Good. I'm slightly aroused.
One more prime. We're gonna prime one more.
One more prime, and we're gonna go. Let's get that starter cooking.
Yeah.
All right, you ready?
So let's hook some shit up now.
Oh, I lost the fuel pump relay, dude.
Oh, everybody go.
Everybody get out of here. I'm in a glass case of emotion.
You know what? Let me take fender covers off for this.
Okay. Cool pack hooked up?
Yep.
Okay. Should start.
I might have to prime a little bit of fuel. It should start. Mass full hooked up. Everything's tight. We've done this 5 times. All right.
It's not just tight, it's tight. For luck.
Don't shake off the jack stands either.
Any final words before we figure out what's gonna happen?
Worst case scenario, I put a new motor in it.
Yeah, we can find plenty of those.
I'm smiling as I say that because
look at Ruby.
I'll figure something out.
Here we go.